Hi everybody, it's April from April's Crochet and More, and I wanted to do a quick unboxing for my Hobium order, and I want to let everybody know that Hobium is having a 25% off sale, and I think today might be the last day for it. So I thought I'd do this and let you, that way maybe if you guys wanted to order anything you could go look at it. And no, I'm not affiliated with Hobium, I'm just doing a video, what I paid for with my own money. I ordered this Lauren Fashion. This is similar to what I made the rainbow bag out of, but it's thinner. And let's see, this has 251 yards in it, and right now it's 25% off, so it would be $1.13 a ball, or if you buy the 5-pack, it's be makes it $1.02 a ball, which the 5-pack would be $5.08. It's thinner than the Lamia lollipop, but it would, if you're gonna make a shirt out of it or something like that, like they say you can with the Lamia, it would make a more of a lightweight or summer top or cover up or whatever. This is Lauren Fashions, and this is called raffia paper yarn, but it's not paper. It is more of a felt, but like a really thin felt. I hope you guys can hear me. My air conditioner is on, and it gets really hot in here if I don't have it on. I got these on clearance, which if you watched Crystal's from Bag a Day Crochet, she got some of these on clearance. I think they were $4. They're almost out of them. They have a couple left, but not they don't have every one that they carried. A lot of them are out of stock. And then I ordered Crinkling Sound, the Gazelle Baby Cotton XL. I ordered this in the blue and the white. I want to make a blanket out of it, so I only ordered 2 so I could see how far it would go. And then of course I got their new bag. But I wanted to let everybody see this and know that they are having the 25% off sale. And to know how quick this gets here, I ordered this on July 2nd. And it came today, July 6th. So it's 4 days from Turkey. And so that, I mean, I paid, I think, $8 for shipping with the little bit I got. Plus, if you're a new customer, go on their website. You can, if you sign up, you'll get a coupon to use. I think it was 20% off for your first order. But since everything's already 25% off right now for this sale, you could always save your other coupon. And then they also send you the 15% off coupon. This one's good till September 1st. And they send you stickers. And I know I didn't order these, so I'm assuming they just got thrown in for a little extra. They're plastic beads. Then they send the sticker, and they send pom-pom makers, and then they send you a little tag to sew on a garment. Usually they send you a little piece of heart-shaped cherry candy, but I didn't get the candy. I got the beads, which I prefer. I don't like cherry candy, but I want to get this posted so everybody can see it. So if they want to go take a look at their sale while it's still on, have a great day, everybody.